So here we are. We're about to take off. We'll check our elevations, around 600 feet. That's the throttle start to cut in. A good takeoff point for craft this size would be roughly 65. I'll bring it up maybe a little farther than that. You probably take off at about 45 or 50, but you don't want to miss the feet. Give or take, you stall out and you drop back down 40 feet. If you're not up that high, no, you're going to hit the ground. So here we go. I'll bank off a bit. Normally you don't actually want to bank off right away. You want to take off, get about 300 feet before you start banking in another direction. There's plenty of runway. But this is an exercise in scuttling at 50 feet. So we're going to continue up. Elevation's reaching 300 feet now. And you see our airspeed is increasing. We're going to increase our airspeed to about 100 knots. Then we get out a nice distance where we can move around a bit. And bring down full flaps, which will be 30 degrees, and drop out the throttle. It's coming up right now. Be a few more seconds. I'm going to bring this up, start banking. Now 500 feet. Now we're gaining, and you'll see the airspeed start to slow as we're gaining. There we go, we're at 600 feet, 700 feet, we're safe. 900 would probably be a nice turnaround emergency distance. So there we go. Nearly 1,000 feet to turn around. Out comes the throttle, full flaps. And take a look where we are. Exactly in bearing to where we just came from. And we're a bit off, you can see as you come around. There we go. We'll bring the throttle back in, pick it up a bit. Nice position here. Inch it up a bit. Throttle all the way back out. And we've got a good distance from here. We've got 500 feet to drop, but we're too far out. So we're going to intentionally bring this all the way down and perform a scuttling maneuver at 50 feet to show how it's done if you have no flaps. We've got full flaps now. We're safe. If you come in with no flaps, you're coming down from 500 feet down for you're going to be going too fast. So you got down to about 100 feet here, dropping down to 80. Scuttling around 40 feet or so. 35, I'm just going to bring it up a bit here, over the airstrip, and then throttle all the way out to finish up. A nice position, safe, throttle all the way out and down. Now, the key point is if you have a bad position, the Cessnas easily, even at 40 feet, bring that throttle up. You've got a good attitude, and you can bring that thing right over the runway. You save yourself. Take off from that position and turn around and do it again.